really think you should.
Oh, what's up guys, welcome to another episode of POUDEL and Smakas. In this video I am going to show you how to install any app unlimited times into your phone. So let's get started. During the process I would be using APK editor whose link is mentioned in the description box, so make sure you check out the description box. And I would be also using Facebook Lite. It is because it is very light and it's my choice, so you can use any application in place of that. So let's move on to watch our content. So guys, first of all, download the application from the description box and install it. Now click on select APK from app. Now search the app you want to install multiple times. I'll choose Facebook Lite. Now click on common edit. Through this application you can even edit the logo of the application. So let's change the logo of Facebook Lite. Click on the logo. I'll choose a random picture. You can even edit the name of the application, so let's change the name of the Facebook Lite. We will also edit the package name, so let's change it. I will add a letter only. Then click on save. So we have succeeded. So let's install the application from the My Files. So go on device storage and click on APK editor and click on TMP. Now click the first file. Now click on install. Click on done. So guys, let's see whether the application has been installed or not. We have installed the application properly. So we have installed two Facebook Lites in the same phone. So now let's open the application. So now let's check the another one, whether it is the same or not. It is the same app. So guys, comment down below to tell me in which topic should I make my next video on. So till then, peace.